Welcome to another video, welcome to the channel, and it's Christmas Day 2024 and it's a beautiful day. Come with us on the annual tradition of walking around Bathpool here in Kidsgrove. And today is a Wednesday, 53 Fahrenheit, almost 12 Celsius. No wind, it's absolutely gorgeous Christmas Day. The day started off being very, very foggy, and we had about 10 minutes of rain, but just look at that now. Beautiful shot there of the lovely homes here just outside of Bathpool Park, and that sky is fabulous. So far, Nick's opened all his presents. I've just thrown a video out to you there, and he's had a lovely morning. Lots and lots of presents, and he's now having a little nap. Had some wonderful presents. I've had a little glass ornament with like a picture of Nick inside, which is beautiful, and an RM Williams wallet all the way from Australia. So let me know in the comments what beautiful presents all you guys have had. I'm sure they've been awesome. And here we go, beautiful Bathpool Park. Thought it would have been busier. About 4 cars in the car park today. But I'm guessing most people getting ready for Christmas lunch. Now it looks as though there's been quite a few motorcyclists or off-road motorcyclists spinning around, and I can hear them somewhere. And you know what stunning scenery we have around here. I've been told these off-road bikers are spinning around the main rugby field, so we'll go and check that out. Can't believe it's Christmas Day 2024. Where has this year gone? Just flown. Okay, it looks like a couple of kids had some off-roaders for Christmas. How cool is that?
Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in a fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel.
back on the iPhone. Let's take you guys around Bathpool. Can't believe how quiet it is. It's beautiful today. No wind. And not warm, but pleasant. If you're interested, we're using the iPhone 16 Pro at the moment with the Rode Micro wireless mics, which seem to be working absolutely fine. And the drone that we just used is the DJI Neo on the Fly More Combo FPV, which was my Christmas present to myself. Pretty good. Here we go, the view I've been waiting for. I keep saying it every time we come down here, but we are so lucky to live in Kidsgrove with this on our doorstep. Look at that. Christmas Day 2024. Absolutely beautiful. And check out all the seagulls there. Waiting for the Christmas dinner, waiting for that right fish. The clouds in the sky are looking really good for photographing today. Another fabulous view there with the sun trying to get through the clouds there. If you're into photography, today is a stunning day to get some fabulous views at Bathpool. Not seen that sign before, it does look new. Within the park is a regulated body of water via the Environment Agency. Wow. I hope you guys are enjoying the scenery today and also having a wonderful Christmas Day. Coming up to 1:30 p.m. So I guess you guys are absolutely starving now and ready for that Christmas lunch, Christmas dinner. Looks like Glynn's enjoying the videoing as well on this beautiful day. We just met a lovely chap who's recently moved to Kidsgrove. Been watching the Kidsgrove the Bygone Days, the videos, and he absolutely loves them. And while I'm on about that, don't forget we've got 16 amazing documentaries of Kidsgrove and the surrounding area, all free for you guys to watch. Just go on YouTube, type in Bygone Days Kidsgrove, and they all come up. And I got told by Dave yesterday, Dave Waterhouse, that there's more to come in 2025, starting with Coal Pit Hill in January. It's going to be amazing. I got the motorbike people zooming through here pretty fast. I guess there's nobody really to stop them. Reached the Lily Pond area and the beautiful island. Can't believe how mild it is on Christmas Day. Just a look back at the start of Bathpool, where we've just come from. And from wherever in the world you're watching today, a very Merry Christmas from beautiful Kidsgrove. And what a great seat that is, just to sit there, chill out and get away from the daily troubles of life. How cool is that? I didn't notice this the other day. It looks as though a tree has actually come down here. So you can see, yeah, it looks like it's snapped from there. I never saw this the other day when I walked around. Now you guys will probably tell me maybe the age of this tree just by looking at that. That's just obviously one of the branches. Incredible, eh? Yeah, you can see where the tree is kind of snapped there in the wind. Told that a lot of the trees here are well over 100 years old and they are quite rotten, and that's probably why the trees are falling. Who's ready for Kidsgrove Beach on Christmas Day? You guys fancy a dip in there today? I'm guessing up in Edinburgh they'll be jumping in the sea today, or is that New Year's Day? Not too sure. Loving the reflections in Kidsgrove Beach today. And roll on summer, and all the kids can go and have a play on the sand and have a little dip. Really enjoying my Christmas walk today, and I hope you guys are sitting at home watching this stunning scenery today. And again, reflection time, another perfect photo opportunity there. Beautiful. And I wonder what these guys have had for the Christmas lunch today. Time for another stop and just to chill and take in this remarkable scenery we have. Again on our doorstep. Make sure you check out Glynn's film today. He's using the Osmo Pocket 3, which has got the gimbal stabilizer on it, and he uses 4K 60, so the quality is absolutely stunning. I like using the iPhone, but again, let me know in the comments which is the best photography, iPhone or Osmo Pocket 3. Now check out the beautiful sunshine that's coming through. It's been a while since I've seen a Christmas day like this one. Made it back now to the rugby field. What a wonderful walk we've had today in this beautiful weather. back with Nick. We both got us Christmas jumpers on, both got us hats on. Hope you've enjoyed that fabulous walk through Bathpool Park, Christmas Day 2024. Of course, if you've enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, drop me some comments, and please subscribe to the channel. And from me and Nick, a very, very Merry Christmas. See you on the next video real soon.